This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are stir frying Chinese style fish fillet that's packed with flavour and it's super easy to make. I have here some halibut. But you can use any fish fillet you like as long as they have a firm texture, like white snapper or salmon. Wash the fish and pat it dry with a kitchen towel. Then cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Put about 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine over the fish and mix it well. This Chinese cooking wine will get rid of any fishiness that you may get from the fish. Set this aside for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, julienne some ginger. Cut the ginger up into slices, then into matchsticks. Cut up some spring onions. Separate the white and the green parts. Now for the sauce. In a bowl, mix in water, oyster sauce, sugar, like soy sauce, and a squeeze of lemon. Like most Asian households, if you do not have any lemons lying around, you can use some white vinegar instead. Back to the fish. Remove the fish and put it in another bowl. Discard the liquid at the bottom of the original bowl. Next, add in some cornstarch and white pepper. You may use black pepper if you prefer or if you do not have any white pepper. Mix all this well and make sure that every piece of the fish is coated evenly with the corn flour and pepper. To stir fry, pour about half a cm of oil into a pan for shallow frying. You will know that the oil is hot enough for frying when your chopsticks bubbles when you dip it into the oil. Fry the fish. If you are using a carbon steel wok or pan, make sure that your carbon steel wok or pan is super seasoned. Otherwise, the fish will stick to the pan. For me, I will always have a non-stick pan handy for fish and for eggs. Fry the fish till it's brown. When the bottom is brown, flip it over and fry the other side. When both sides are brown, remove the fish. Leave about 1 tablespoon of oil at the bottom of the pan. Add in your ginger and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry this ginger and spring onions for about 2 to 3 minutes to help it release its flavor. When it's all fragrant, add in your fish. Then, add in your sauce. The fish is very delicate here, so be gentle. Fry all this till the sauce is almost dry. Add in the green parts of the spring onions. Give this about 30 seconds and turn off the heat. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, we are done. Don't forget to subscribe to Busy Daddy Cooks for more easy and tasty recipes that will help you get dinner onto your table fast. This is stir-fry Chinese style fish fillet.